Good morning, dear children. Till now, we all had learned about method of addition and subtraction in the lesson Fun with Give and Take. Children, today we will learn how can we apply this knowledge in our day-to-day life. For that, I have taken few questions given in your book to make you understand which operation we will do for the sum. So let us start from this question. Nabila's mother sent her to the market to buy some things. She gave her rupees 245. How much money Nabila's mother gave to her? Rupees 245. Correct? Nabila bought 1 kg ghee for rupees 127. Means out of 245, she spent 127 rupees to purchase 1 kg of ghee. Okay? The shopkeeper gave her back rupees 98. What the shopkeeper will do? Shopkeeper will keep rupees 127 and the left amount she will return to Nabila. And finally the shopkeeper gave her rupees 98. Now we have to see whether the shopkeeper gave her right amount. So what you will do? She had rupees 245. Okay, and she bought a ghee for rupees 127. So what you will do? You will subtract the amount. To subtract, you all know that we started from ones place. Okay, so here on ones place 5 is there. Can you subtract 7 from 5? No, you cannot subtract. So what this 5 will do? This 5 will ask 1 from the tens place and become 15. And because tens place has given 1 tens to 5, so here it becomes 3. Now you can easily subtract 7 from 15. So what the answer will be here? 8. Right? 3 minus 2 you can easily subtract because upper number is bigger. So 1. And here again the upper number is bigger on 100 place. So you will easily subtract 2 minus 1, 1. So the shopkeeper should return 118 rupees. Okay. The shopkeeper should return her 118 rupees. But he has given rupees 98. It means the shopkeeper gave her wrong amount. Okay. Now let us see next question. Baby tortoise is 33 years old. Mummy tortoise is 150 years old. How much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise? Children, what are the things given here in this question? Age of mummy tortoise, that is 150 years. Age of baby tortoise, that is 33 years. And you have been asked how much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise. मम्मी से कितना छोटा है baby tortoise? उसके लिए what you will do? You will subtract the number. Okay, so 150 minus 33. Start from ones place. On ones place 0 is there. It is a smaller number. You cannot subtract 3 from 0. So this 0 will ask 1 from its neighbor and become 10, because tens place has given 1 to ones place. So here it will become 4 tens, right? 10 minus 3, 7. Now tens place, 4 minus 3, 1. Now come on 100 place. On 100 place 1 is there, and below that no number is there. It means you will copy down that number as it is. It means baby tortoise is 117 years younger than mummy tortoise. Okay. Now let us see next question. Arvind has read 69 pages of a storybook. Gauri has read 95 pages of that storybook. Who has read more pages and how many more? What are the things given? The pages that Arvind has read, that is 69. Pages that Gauri has read, that is 95. Now who has read more? Obviously, if you will compare these two numbers, this one is bigger number. It means Gauri has read more pages. But how much she has read more? For that, what you will do? You will put minus sign and subtract the number. 95 minus 69. Start from ones place. Here on ones place 5 is there. 5 is a smaller number. So this 5 will borrow 1 from its neighbor and become 15. And on tens place the number will be left 8. 15 minus 9 comes 6. And 8 minus 6, 2. It means Gauri has read 26 more pages than Arvind. Children, hope you all have understood. Now let us see one more sum. Children, here Reena noted the electricity meter reading of her house. Last month reading was 118. This month reading is 193 units. How much electricity did she use in 1 month? Children, let us see what are the things given. This month reading is given 193. Last month reading is given 118. And what is asked? How much electricity did she use in 1 month? So what you will do? You will subtract. Okay. Last month reading and this month reading both will be subtracted together. So let us subtract these two numbers. Start from ones place. 3 is a smaller number. You cannot subtract. So borrow 1 from tens place. And here it will become 13. And on tens place the number will become 8. Now 13 minus 8, 5. Now come on tens place. Upper number is bigger. You can easily subtract. No need of borrowing. So 8 minus 1, 7. Now after that go on 100 place. 1 minus 1. If the number is subtracted by itself, the answer comes 0. It means she used 75 units of electricity. Okay. Now look this sum. Khushbu bought a shirt for rupees 125 and trousers for rupees 165. how much money did she spend altogether? So let us see what are the things given. She purchased shirt and trousers. Shirt price was 125 and trousers price was 165. How much money she spent altogether? Altogether means you have to add these two numbers. So here you will put plus sign and you will add. Children, like subtraction, in addition also we start from ones place. Okay, so let us start from ones place. 5 and 5 becomes 10. 10 is a 2-digit number, so 0 you will write on ones place and 1 will go at tens place as a carry over. Okay, now you will add the numbers. 6 and 2, 8, 8 and 1, 9. Correct? And after that you will go on 100 place. 1 and 1 becomes 2. It means she spent rupees 290 altogether. Children, hope you all have understood where you have to subtract the amount and where you have to add the numbers. Okay, so do practice at home and solve these 4 sums in your copy. Thank you and have a good day.